Good morning once again. Myself, Dr. Ajit Singh, Professor and HOD, Department of Community Medicine, by PSMH, Homeopathic Medical College, Alwar. Our today's topic once again is the concept of the health according to WHO and health according to Dr. Henneman. You know, according to the World Health Organization, WHO, health is a state of the complete physical, mental, social well-being, not merely the absence of the disease or any infirmity. But it is difficult to achieve complete physical, mental and social well-being in our worldly life, which is constantly being impinged upon by the host of the forces and the factors. And health cannot be conceived as a fixed quantum. So, it is a clear definition of the health that health is a flexible state of the body or mind which may be described in terms of the range of within which a person, due to operation of the internal or the external stimuli, physical, chemical, physiologically, pathological or social, biological, psychosocial in general, may away from the conditions wherein he is at the peak of the employment of the physical, mental and the emotional exceptions as influenced by the genetic constitution, environment, age, sex and socio-biological characteristics, and can regain that position without any external aid. Therefore, the raw materials or the constituents which determines the quality of the health are maybe in the form of the biological constitution, mental or the emotional constitution, social constitution. Biological constitutions also includes, first is genetic inheritance, second is adaptability or the climatic changes, third one is adaptability to resist privation, bacterial infections, toxic agents and the adaptability time. And next one is the physiological normality and the vigor. Second constituent is the mental or the emotional constitutions. It also includes the personal behavioral pattern of the host, stability of the mind and informity, capacity for control and the discipline, choice of the recreation. And third one is the main constituent, that is known as the social constitution. Adequate food and the drinks, adequate living conditions, occupational or the employment factors, rights, consciousness, spiritual and the moral standard of the peoples, standard of the education and the general knowledge, and level of the medical and the healthcare facilities which are provided by the local bodies or the state health in the government or the private sectors. It means the negative concept of the health also can be defined that health is an avoidance of the disease. For example, prevention of the disease, but the positive concept is the promotion of the health which in turn demand the improvement of the working and the living conditions. Thus, the health promotional can be achieved by the highest standard of the living. For example, by the good food conditions, proper housing facilities, adequate working facilities, adequate housing facilities, proper sanitation of the environmental conditions, and according to the positive concept, health has been defined as a complete state of the feeling of the well in the body, mind and spirit, together with a sense of the reserve power based upon the normal functioning of the tissues, a practical understanding of the principle of the health or the healthy living, harmonious adjustment to the environment, physical and the physiological, is means rich life of the service. As for concerning the homeopathic concept or the Hahnemanian view of the health, Dr. Henneman has explained the health in the ninth aphorism of the Organon. In the health conditions of the man, the spiritual vital force, autocracy, the dynamic that animate the material body organism, rules with the unbounded swing and the retain all part of the organism in admirable, harmonious, vital operations as regard the both sensation and the functions, so that our enduring regions gifted mind can be freely employing this living healthy instrument for the higher purpose of our existence. It means when a person, if he is in the positive or the ease condition, not in the discomfort, his or her vital force will be is in the normal plane. Thus Dr. Hahnemann gives to health the quality of the moral power without which health is not possible. He would not call a dacoit in a healthy person because he is devoid of the moral willpower to essential for the health. Health depends on the following conditions. Like first is the healthy parents, training in the pursuing of the healthy habits, nutritional and the wholesome foods, sanitary environmental conditions and the residential conditions, precautions from the polluted air, water and food in order to prevent the infectious diseases, preventive measures against the communicable or the infectious health problems, and the proper supply of the deficiencies as and when they occur during the life. Those are necessary for the survival of the life. So health is the highest virtue, and the every person must keep in mind that happiness depends in a large measure upon the personal health and the health of his near and dear ones. Physical exercise, pranayam, yoga and exercises for the development of the nervous system and the control of the mind have been recognized from ancient times as very useful for the achievement of the health and peace of the mind. So in this way we can say that if a person is enjoying the health positively, he must be sound on the physical plane, social plane, mental plane. So lot of thanks to you.